the way the end of his snout flares up on the side? Down there the way he came in. See that water's coming up. Yeah, they don't have a fence in the back. The water's coming up. He's trying to get out of the water.
Should we?
He's about 125 pounds maybe.
Should we set him free?
No.
No, let these people do it if they want him out. They got an automatic gate. Boy. We got pigs everywhere down here.
This poor little guy though, he's trying to get out.
Well, you're not going to come over that fence. You're going to have to go out down around Lake St. Catherine and come out around.
Huh?
But the water, he's probably on one of those islands. That's Salt Bayou back over there.
Mm-hmm.
So they probably come off of Salt Bayou. It's probably underwater. And he come off of that and come across. I saw another one over here as we passed by.
Yeah, there were two.
So he was probably with him. Look at his cutters though. See the way they're bulging the side of his face out?
Yeah.
That's those great big cutters he's got.
Tell Kevin, when I'm serious, that's how Kevin calls his face.
That's a wild boar, honey. But he ain't gonna come to that.
He did a minute ago.
No, he did.
But he ain't coming to you.
Can he get off the gate? How did he get in?
So you see, that's this marshland out there.
Mm-hmm.
And when the lake came up, it flooded those little islands that are back over there.
Oh, so he's trying to find a way to get out.
So
to
he
go
came.
that way.
See those islands? Look
Yeah.
me up behind the house. See those islands way back there?
Yeah.
He come off those islands. You're trying to get out.
He has white on his paw, Dad. Or whatever. Oh, wait, it's broken. There's skin. I thought that was white. Why is it broken, though?
He's huge.
Pretty.
Yeah, he's about 125 pounds.
I wish I could go out there and pet him. He's beautiful.
No, you don't.
He looks like a black version of Kevin's face.
You do not want to pet him.
You get a good
know
video,
Ron?
sir?
Yeah, I have like
Sarah,
2
do you know
minutes.
the orange pig Ron? That's how big Kevin's pig is.
What?
Sarah,
I heard yeah.
that's how big Kevin's pig is.
You still
His name is
recording?
Ron.
Yeah. Do you want me to stop so we can go?
Whenever you're ready.
I thought this was really cool.
Well, I shouldn't see that stuff. I was already in a hunting mood, so that
Poor
just killed
Dad.
me.
Wait, is he a hog or an actual
That's a
pig?
hog, you. Abby.
He's a feral hog, sweetheart.
Oh.
And he wants to eat you. Nom 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 nom.
He's gonna have to go the other way if he's gonna get out.
Kevin's pig.
Well, how?
But
I don't think he does.
See, they don't have a fence, so he could go right down there to that brush line and go to the left down where the dock is and go out and around, and he could get out. There was another one with him.
So I guess he got out.
I was looking about the same size over there.
Yeah, there were two. Well, actually, I saw 3. Yeah, there was another one going towards the back of the house with his dog. Oh, jeez. That got deep real quick.